Have you ever stopped to ponder, what if the Earth was actually flat? It's a question that has sparked the curiosity of many, leading to countless debates and theories. One such theory that has gained traction is the flat Earth theory, with its followers known as flat earthers. This theory challenges our traditional understanding of the Earth's shape and presents an entirely different perspective. In this video, we'll dive into the flat Earth theory and explore its implications. Buckle up. It's going to be a fascinating journey. So what is the flat Earth theory? Let's dive right into it. The flat Earth theory, as the name suggests, is the belief that our planet Earth is not a globe spinning through the cosmos, but rather a flat disc-like object. This theory paints a picture of Earth that's drastically different from the spherical shape we've come to know and accept. Picture this: a flat plane encircled by a towering wall of ice, with the North Pole at the center and the continents spread out around it. In this view, the South Pole doesn't exist as a point, but instead forms the icy barrier that holds the oceans in. Above this plane, the sun, moon, and stars move in circular patterns. Now you might ask, why would anyone believe in such a concept? The answer lies in perceptions and interpretations. Flat Earth believers often cite their direct sensory experience as evidence. The world looks and feels flat, so it must be flat. They argue that evidence supporting a spherical Earth, such as photographs from space, are fabrications, part of a grand conspiracy by governments and space agencies to mislead the public. The flat Earth theory isn't new. In fact, many ancient cultures perceived the Earth as flat. It's only in the last few centuries that the spherical Earth theory gained widespread acceptance, thanks to advancements in science and technology. However, despite these advancements, the flat Earth theory has seen a resurgence in recent years, fueled by the spread of misinformation on the internet. Critics of the theory argue that it disregards a wealth of scientific evidence supporting a spherical Earth, from the way ships disappear over the horizon, to the round shadow Earth casts on the moon during a lunar eclipse. Now that we have a basic understanding of the flat Earth theory, let's explore some of its key points. Flat Earthers propose some intriguing ideas to support their theory. Let's delve into these key points, shall we? First up, the perception of the horizon. Flat Earthers assert that if Earth were indeed a sphere, then as we move away from an object, it should appear to sink or set due to the curved surface. Yet, they argue that in reality, objects, especially large ones like a ship at sea, seem to shrink into the distance rather than drop beyond the curve. Next, we have the behavior of gravity. Traditional science tells us that gravity pulls everything towards the center of our spherical Earth. However, flat earthers propose an alternative explanation. They suggest that Earth is constantly accelerating upwards, propelled by an unknown force they call universal acceleration. So instead of gravity pulling us down, it's actually the upward thrust of the Earth that keeps us grounded. Then there's the supposed falsehoods of space travel. Flat earthers often question the authenticity of space missions, particularly the moon landing. They argue that these are elaborate hoaxes designed to perpetuate the belief in a round Earth. They point to perceived inconsistencies in the footage and photographs as evidence, such as the flag rippling in an environment that supposedly lacks wind. Finally, there's the belief in a great conspiracy. Many flat earthers contend that governments, space agencies, and even private corporations are involved in an immense cover-up to maintain the illusion of a spherical Earth. They believe that this conspiracy involves everything from faking space travel to altering the way maps and globes are produced. Now, it's important to note that these ideas are met with substantial skepticism and counter-arguments from the scientific community. This isn't an endorsement or a debunking of the flat Earth theory, but rather a summary of its key points from a neutral perspective. These points represent the crux of the flat Earth theory. But what if this theory was true? Imagine waking up tomorrow in a world where the Earth is flat. Suddenly, our understanding of physics would need a total overhaul. The theory of gravity as we know it would be rendered obsolete, as it's based on mass attracting mass in all directions, forming a sphere. With a flat Earth, we'd need a new explanation for why things fall downwards. Our knowledge of astronomy would also be turned on its head. The patterns of the stars and planets, the phases of the moon, even the existence of a horizon would all be called into question. We'd have to rewrite centuries of astronomical observations and theories. Geography would be drastically different too. No more would the shortest distance between 2 points be a great circle route. Instead, we'd navigate in straight lines, making our world maps look vastly different. Everyday activities like travel and weather forecasting would be impacted as well. Flight paths would be changed, drastically altering the duration of flights. Weather patterns dictated by the Earth's rotation and its spherical shape would be unpredictable with a flat Earth model. And what about the edge of the Earth? Would we be able to fall off? Or would there be a giant wall of ice, like some flat Earth proponents suggest? The questions are endless. A flat Earth would indeed turn our world upside down, metaphorically speaking. The flat Earth theory is a testament to the power of human curiosity and skepticism. It's a fascinating concept, isn't it? We delved into the flat Earth theory, understanding its key points, such as the belief in a disc-shaped Earth, with the North Pole at the center and a massive wall of ice at the edges. We also explored the implications of a flat Earth, from changes in gravity to shifts in climate patterns. Yet it's not just about the shape of our planet, it's about the spirit of inquiry, the courage to question, and the importance of critical thinking. It's about not accepting things at face value, but probing, researching, and discovering for yourself. Whether you believe in the flat Earth theory or not, it's always intriguing to explore different perspectives. Keep questioning, keep exploring, and remember, knowledge is a journey, not a destination.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. That's all for Nifty Narration.